little bit early today, about 6:30. Still dark. Just got back to the river. It's Saturday, about 6:30. Just got here. Daylight is about to come out, so pretty quiet. A little bit, windy. I don't think it's just that much strong windy at all. So kind of cloudy day today too. It's because the rain's coming up. So I'm gonna go back to the same place I hunted last week. So I'm gonna see what happened. The calm boat down there already launching. So I should try to look at this thing right here. So look at that. Got my boat ready. Oh my God, my boat. Oh my Lord. Oh man, you see that boat? I didn't plug in my boat. Oh, look guys, I didn't plug my boat. I didn't plug my boat. I know my gun power all wet now. Oh man. No man, I forgot to plug my boat. Sheesh. I gotta do something about it. Oh man, I gotta get the water out. I gotta plug. A little rough in it, man. I got it out enough. I have to run it now. But sometimes the cooler is good for something. Yeah. Oh, always double check. Oh, I forgot today. I'm gonna have to run my boat. Get almost the water in here out. Still got a lot of water left in here. No water. Have to run my boat and get the water out. Plug back there and run the boat. Probably the only way to do it. Alrighty. Look at all that. All gone. Water. Look at that. All gone. Man, clean. Got a clean boat today. Clean boat. I have to move closer on that one. go. Still haven't. Ooh, haven't dead yet. Killed him. Out there moving. Slow. So I hardly see that one today. I mean, it's got a little bit missed the rain. It had rain yesterday. I would think they were moving a lot today. You know, evidently they're slow moving. So I don't know. But keep in mind, I always lesson learned though. See, a lot of time when I start walking and I look up at the tree as well. You know, make sure to see the branch moving, things like that. I always look at the branch first, and then kind of glance down to the tree line to make sure, you know, they don't want run down the trees, things like that. So first thing is always look at the branches, the movement on the branches. Sometimes be a bird, but sometimes mostly is the squirrel, mostly the one to make a big branch moving. When they're feeding, yeah, move a little bitty, but most of the time they're really aggressive and they move pretty hard. So, well, here's the second one. All right. So, I mean, been here for about 30-40 minutes already. It's only C3, so I killed 2, so it's not too bad. So the spot I was in last week, and hickories everywhere, but they weren't there today, so don't know what happened. Like I always carry my shooting stick right here. I mean, a lot of times you can't really have a tree to lean on. It's because of the you can't see it right, you know. But always carry a stick with you, especially when you're using 22. I mean, a lot of people might be good with the free hands and the scope, but not me. I gotta have something like a stick. So when you have a stick, at least you got something to lean on it. You know, rest your gun on it a little bit, thing like that. So, see, a lot of time I walk and I stop and look every direction just to be sure. You know, I see some branch moving, thing like that. But today's been quiet, so it's gonna move up north a little bit, that direction to see. You know, a lot of people don't know that, but a lot of time when I walk, I always use a tree, kind of, you know, pattern to walk, kind of use as the, like a shadow, you know. Got that way when you walk it, you use the trees blocking, especially when, you know. That's three right there. That's three. There's a big tree right here. Big oak. Here's the gray. There it is right there. Billy laying on a tree. Good deal. Whew. It's on 8 o'clock and I only killed 3, so that's pretty slow today. I mean, that's not too good. They're just not moving today. Look at all the wood back there. A lot of big tree. A lot of big tall tree. Look at all the big tree. You hear that? The hawk is hunting this tail. The hawk is also squirrel hunting. Yeah, hunting the group, like 2 or 3 of them out there. Look at that sound. They might be seeing something over there. Look. Yeah. They see something. Look at that. Uh-oh, you come to that tree now. Where the squirrel, I gotta see is the squirrel. They're hunting the group somehow, the way that the hawks are hunting, you know. They try to calling, so they try to make the squirrel getting scared and running and jump off. It's in a big old pecan tree over there. It's up there, not moving too good. There it is right there. I see him up there. There you go. It's egg 40. That's full. Somebody got it. Hit the leg to the back. Yeah, I'm hunting against time today. Slow, only kill 4. At egg 40. Man, most of the time I'm limited out already. You know? And not moving today. Slow. So far, only see 5 today, and killed 4 out of 5, so I don't know. I mean, it's still good, but it's not good. It's just not moving good today. I mean, I take like 20 minutes, 20, 30-minute walk just to see that one. Now when he moved real slowly. I mean, so, I don't know. Trying to hit back now. Man, it's not. Let's see what happened. Ease back to the boat. Try to ease it back to the boat and see. So, I might pick up 1 or 2, something like that.